We all love better flavored charcoal grill in the great outdoors. Meet Barbiol, a multi-layer structured charcoal grill with smart temperature control system for all your cookout needs. The first layer is for grilling meat, fish, and vegetables. The second layer, the functional plate, is for grilling ribs, boiling soup, and braising seashells. And the third layer, the inner container, is for baking yams, potatoes, nuts, etc. It's easy to ignite. With a charcoal boxing cover, it greatly reduces smoke. Smart Control Panel lets you master the grill process, like fan speed and temperature. Put the lid on for heat retention. Timing function informs you when the food is ready. It meets all your cooking needs.
Microwave ovens are a joy, but microwave messes can be awful. Now, keep your microwave clean and your food fresh and moist with our glass microwave covers. They are BPA and chemical free, so nothing gets added to your food. Since they are glass, you can clearly see what's cooking. Two vents allow steam to escape, and the big heat-resistant handle makes them easy to grip. And they come in 2 sizes and 2 handle colors to meet all your microwaving needs. If you're looking for a microwave cover, you just found it.